Good morning. Good morning. You gonna smile? Yeah. Good talk? Gracias. I'm feeling better. She says I'm feeling better. Yeah. Yeah. You can smile. You can smile. Say we're just waiting for the doctors to come in and see what's gonna happen. The regular doctor came in. We're waiting for the neuro doctor. Yeah. Can you say thank you for all the prayers? Say thank you for all the prayers. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Say love you, bye-bye. Say love you, bye-bye. Bye-bye. My favorite thing to do is kick off my heartbeat or oxygen monitor. Heartbeat looks good though. There's my monitor on my toe. Not that foot. Say bye-bye. Can wave? Can wave? Okay, stop.